Hello, in this video I'm going to take a look at the new Drupal 7 installation. I'm going to be installing it on my local desktop machine using a wamp server. You can Google that, W-A-M-P. So first we're going to download the latest version of Drupal 7. Here's the Alpha 5. And open this up. And here are the new files for Drupal 7. And I've created a new site here on my wamp www folder, Drupal 7 demo. So I'm going to go ahead and copy these over. And boom, just like that. So now I've got them in my web directory. And go over to phpMyAdmin, make a database called demo7. That'll be for this demo site. Now I'm going to go back into my wamp server. Go to Drupal 7 demo. And here's the new standard installation. I'll save and continue. See it's a new look, a little different Garland setup. Well, it's much different than Garland, so I like it. It's a little different. And oops, sorry about that. So we're going to go in here to sites and accidentally open that. Default. And we're going to copy this file. And this is necessary with every Drupal installation. You're going to need to copy the default settings file and then rename it to just settings. That's so that you have the original on hand if anything happens to your backup. So now we're going to proceed with the manual installation. And so you can see here, I think this is new SQLite Drupal. I think it might have supported it before, but it's new there. Demo 7 database username is not root by default for wamp. So here we go, we're setting up the Drupal site itself. Now this does take a little longer than it did at Drupal 6, but you know, I'm thinking with the core files are probably a little bigger now, and so it might take a little longer to get it set up. And now we see the site information and configuration. Enter demo 7. I'll leave that. Demo. And just like that, we're almost done installing Drupal 7. Looks like still waiting to load here. And it looks like we are getting the Drupal installation complete. Just loading up here. There it is. So as you can see, a little slower. I'm not sure if that's because of its alpha status right now, but as you can see, here's the new Garland theme with the administration menu built in. And in my next video, I'll get into how this module works, as well as some additions to Drupal 7. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy this video and my video tutorial series. Thanks.